All right, welcome to Elevated Tax Strategies. This is going to be a quick video on how to set up your Basecamp account when you first get started with us, okay? So you should receive an email, looks like this on the screen. It should say Ramon Liriano invited you to their Basecamp. You want to click on the first email, right? Because this is the email that you're going to use to create your account the first time. So go ahead and click on that. This is what the email actually looks like here. So it says Ramon Liriano invited you to their Basecamp. Set up your password to join Ramon Liriano. This is the green button you want to click on. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And it's going to take you to Basecamp. So here you're going to have two options. It says make a new login with my email, or if you've used Basecamp before, log in and join with my account. So this is a question that we get a lot. If you already know about Basecamp and you've used it with different companies, great. You probably already have an account. You can go ahead and log in and I can show you where you would click on to switch that out. Now, for most of you, you're actually going to go ahead and click on where it says make a new login with my email. And you're going to use that email address that we used to send you the message, because that is the email address that is tied to this account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on make a new login with my email. Great. If you want to add a photo, you can. Here, you're just going to make sure your name is written correctly. I'm going to leave mine as Ramon Liriano example because I have another account. Make sure your email is correct on here. This email must match the email that we put in the system so that your account can connect, okay? Now, go ahead and create your password here. I'm going to go ahead and make a password. Boom. I'm actually going to save this because we'll be using this for other examples. So this will be example, and I'll just save that. Perfect. Then go ahead and click on the green button that says, okay, let's go. Perfect. Now, once you get into the system, you're going to see our logo here at the top. This is your main dashboard, okay? Now, I'm actually going to create another video to go over what your dashboard looks like.